No!
Broken. At long last, I'll be able to join with you. Air blast! Now, Chaos Emerald. It's time for the final curtain call.
What is this? Where are we? What's going on?
Is this because of that light?
What are you doing here? This is all so confusing. It's all because of Solaris.
It seems we were all caught by the spatial distortion. Iblis's seal has been broken. Due to Mephilus's manipulation.
Sonic? No. 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 You don't think...
Sonic!
Mephiles played us all for fools. His plan all along was to cause the princess to be so consumed with despair that she'd cry. Mephiles played us all for fools. Mephiles played us all for fools.
So that's why you wanted me to kill Sonic before.
Consume all existing timelines, and time itself will collapse and disappear into nothingness. It won't remain for much longer.
We've no time to waste! We've got to defeat it now!
No.
No.
No. No. No. It is a transcendent life form that exists in the past, present, and future. Defeating it here, now, would do nothing. Do nothing. Do nothing. Do nothing.
No. I won't give up. There has to be a way. I'll destroy them all at once. Certainly. It might have been possible. was still alive.
Sonic! 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 Sonic!
What's the matter?
I feel Sonic's presence in the wind. I don't think he's dead yet. I'm sure that it's not too late. I can. I'll do it.
Solaris flung the Chaos Emeralds to the distant corners of this distorted world.
To collect them all in time, we'll have to split up.